Hi everybody, it's Ben. Just wanted to give you an update on how things are going here at with the construction project this summer here at Tri-Val High School. I'm just going to take you around real quick, let you see where we're at. Here in the art room we've got things painted, at least primed, and they're going to start putting in the ceiling work in the next couple days. In about 2 weeks they're going to be putting in the new casework. You can see that they've got it run for several sinks here along that wall. And let's see, the classroom will still be in the back there. The only thing that'll be moved will be the kiln will be in here. So here we're moving into the new ag lab room. Was the ag room before, and it's been bay in storage the last couple of days. You can see that they're starting to put the ceiling tiles in. The classroom here itself, this will be where the lab tables will be. We'll also have, for our new food science class, there'll be a residential kitchen area right in that general area. And then this will be more of the traditional classroom in the back of the room. There used to be a door there that went in and out of the shop classroom into the wood shop. They moved the door now here to the front of the room. So we're now standing in the wood shop. You can see that they're adding in a new mezzanine area. In the next week or two, they're going to be adding in a new staircase and a new railing across the top. That's going to allow for a lot of nice storage up there. They've added in a window between the welding and metal shop and the wood shop, so there can be multiple things going on in any given class period. And then there's also a new classroom that's been put in here with a room for, there's going to be able to be put in new computers, 3D printing, things like that in that room. Okay, moving down towards the fitness center, you can see that a lot of things have been walled off. You got the former doors that used to be classrooms there are now walled off. This has just been done the last, probably today. And they're starting to finish that wall up. We'll move here into the fitness center. You can see that it has now been opened up. There's a big window now that's going to be going into, that you can see into the fitness center area. This will be where most of the cardio equipment will be and the machines. And then I'll take you around the corner where you can see where the racks for the free weights. Okay, and then you can see down the long way here, this is all connected now. There's going to be 2 restroom facilities right there. And then this will be where the free weights will go down that end of the room. They've also cut out for some natural lighting to go in. There's going to be 4 windows that'll be, or 5 windows that'll still be added in still this month. And everything should be done in here before school starts. So we got a lot of work to do, but they're still feeling like everything's going to be on schedule. And as for the parking lot here, I'm standing out on Mr. Knutson's island, and you can see that they're going to be, they're about ready to pave. They're going to start paving next week, and that will be something that'll be done in just the next week. So that gives you a little idea of what's going on here at Tri-Valley. Went to the meeting last week. Project manager seems real confident about everything being finished on time with this first phase this summer. School starts August 10th, so we have a very short window here, but everything's on track. Hope that you have a happy 4th of July and a safe and happy rest of your summer. See you soon.